next problem, it is given that the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. The digit in ones place is 9 times the digit at tens place. Again here the relation between ones place and tens place is given. And they are saying that digit in ones place is 9 times the digit at tens place. So let us suppose this tens place as x. So ones place will be equal to 9x. So let tens place is equal to x, ones place will be equal to 9x. Now according to question, sum of the digits is 10 and here 10x is equal to 10. X will be equal to 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 9. Now the number will be tens place 1, ones place 9. Okay. So our answer is 19. Now see in this problem what we have to do. The difference between a two-digit number and number obtained by reversing the digit. Reversing the digit is given, that means we are supposed to find the original number as well as reverse number. And the sum of digits is 7. Sum of the digits is 7. You are supposed to find the number. See, sum is 7. That means we need to split 7. And we have to find both the numbers. Original number and reverse number. For that, sum is 7. Let ones place is equal to x, then tens place will be equal to 7 minus x. And the general formula to find the number is multiply tens place by 10 and add ones place to it. It will be 70 minus 10x plus x. That is equal to 70 minus 9x. Clear? Now the reverse number. Here tens place will become ones place and ones place will become tens place. So ones place will be equal to 7 minus x and tens place will be equal to x. Now the number is 10 into x plus 7 minus x. Multiply tens place by 10 and add ones place to it. Now this is equal to 9x plus 7. Now what is given? The difference between a two-digit number and number obtained by reversing the digit. That means difference between original number and reverse number. Now according to question, it is given that 70 minus 9x minus 9x plus 7. This is equal to 45. This is equal to 45. Now let us find out. This will be 70 minus 7, 63. Minus 18x plus 63 is equal to 45. Now this 63 will go on that side in subtraction. Minus 18, x will be equal to 1. Now this is 1, this is 7 minus 1, 6. So the required number will be equal to ones place 1, tens place 6 and reverse number will be equal to 16. Now you can find their difference. 61 minus 16. 45. Now students, I want to tell you one thing. Here there could be two possible answers. Why? Because it might be possible that some students use the equation 9x plus 7 minus 70 minus 9x equal to 45. By using this, you will have original number as 16 and reverse number as 61. Both the answers are correct. Both the answers are correct, because here the relationship is not given between the numbers, but rather it is told that the difference of the two numbers is 45. Nothing is given that which one is greater and which one is smaller, and difference of two numbers is always equal to greater minus smaller. Whenever there is a word difference, that means that you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So you can use any equation over here. Your marks won't be deducted whether you write the number as 61 or you write the number as 16. But whenever there is a relation between the two numbers, that the original number is greater than reverse number by 36 or like that on reversing the digits the number obtained is 36 more than or less than the given number, then it depends that what equation you have to use. But here you can use both the equation. Your answer will be correct.